Excellent. So in the previous class, we were studying about the introduction of heredity, and I have given you some of the introduction about the heredity and the earlier experiments, and also we have studied about the Mendel, John Gregor Mendel. And the previous class, that is on the Friday's class, not on Friday, rather Wednesday's class, we have studied that why that it is only Mendel got success, not the other scientist. Experiments are done by many other people. Those experiments were not experiments which can confine to the laboratory, but those experiments were on the animals, on the variety of animals which they used to rear, maybe cows or buffaloes or cattle or sheep or goat or donkeys or horses or rabbit or some other animals. Okay? But their experiment always had some loopholes, their experiment always had some type of problems. First of all, they never knew that what are the purity of the character, whether the given character is pure character or not. Then they did not have reciprocated the character, that is some taking the male or female for the same organism and conducting the for the same character and conducting the experiment. But Mendel's experiment was much more scientific and pre-planned, and he had a lot of schemes for that, and he had conducted the experiment in a much scientific manner, systematic manner, and that is why Mendel got success. But remember, in my previous lectures I said John Gregor Mendel was a mathematician. He has nothing to do with biology. He had no interest in biology. He was not a biologist. He was not conducting an experiment taking concern of the genetics or heredity. So the heredity or genetical experiment, that is whatever laws he could give, that was only an outcome of his observation which he found. Okay. So let us consider what was the first experiment performed by John Gregor Mendel. As we already studied that the pea plant has got 7 pair of allelic characters. 7 pair of allelic characters are those characters which are opposite to one another. So one can easily differentiate between the tall plant and the dwarf plant like 7 pairs of allelic characters. If you remember, if you have seen my previous videos, you may be knowing it. That is when we talk about height. Some plants were tall and some plants were dwarf. When we talk about the color of seed, some were yellow and some were green. When we talk about the color of pod, जो फलियां होती हैं, that is some were green and some were yellow. When we talk about the color of flower, some were purple and some were white. When we talk about the position of flower, some were axial and some were terminal. When we talk about the shape of seed, some were round and some were wrinkled, and shape of pod, some were inflated and some were constricted. So Mendel was lucky because he chose a plant which had 7 pair of clearly visible distinct characters. Suppose we conduct an experiment on housefly, we will not find any difference. All the housefly look alike. We conduct an experiment on donkey, we seldom find any visible character on the basis of which we can conduct the differences and cross. But in the pea plant, they were quite obvious. Okay? So that is why Mendel got success. Anyway, Mendel selected it out of randomity. When he used to pass through those fields, he used to observe these plants very common. So he thought, let me conduct the experiment. And since his father was a farmer, he knew certain farming methods. So he knew that how we can conduct the cross and all. So let us start with the first experiment. Mendel's first experiment. This he conducted for height. He had taken two plants. First, tall plant and a dwarf plant. Number of tall plants he had taken in one of the same field. He has grown all the tall plants. One of the field he has grown all the tall dwarf plant. In the tall plant, whatever flowers were there the selfing was done. Its pollen was put into its stigma and obtained the seeds. This is called selfing, self-pollination. And he wanted to see the seed which are produced by these on growing, what kind of plants are produced. On the seed which are produced by this plant, on growing, what kind of plants are produced. On seed which are produced by these plants, when they are grown, what kind of plant they produce. So not all the plants, tall plants always produce tall plants. Some tall plants produce tall plant as well as dwarf plant. He discarded this type of plant. This also produced tall plant and the dwarf plant. He discarded this plant. This was the plant which was producing all tall plants. He selected this plant as a pure tall plant. So now what we will write it as pure tall plant. This plant also produces all the tall plants only. So this is pure. This produces tall and dwarf. This is impure because dwarfness is there hidden. This was one of the basic things which others did not do. When they were conducting experiment in the goat, a brown color goat and the white color goat, male goat. When they were conducting experiment, they just wanted to see what color offsprings are produced, and the offspring sometimes used to be black color. Why? Because the brown was not pure brown and the white was not pure white. He was not wanting those type of results. He wanted his result to be correct. And the very first step was to obtain a pure variety. Pure variety is which on self-pollination produce only one kind of or that kind of offspring only. For the tallness he was conducting experiment. So when he has taken a tall plant, on its self-pollination, whatever seeds were produced, they all on germination produced only tall plants. Whenever dwarf plant was crossed, all their offsprings were always produced in dwarf. So dwarf plants were always pure. None of the dwarf plant could ever produce tall plants. So obtaining pure dwarf plant was rather easy, but obtaining pure tall plant was an tedious work. So it itself consumes some about 6 months to 1 year's time, or rather 1 or 2 generations. Then you could obtain the pure tall plant. If we start with our experiment without seeing whether the plant is tall or not, or dwarf plant is pure or not, then we will never be able to reach to the right conclusion. And that is, I said, systematic experimentation. His thought was much ahead of time. People of his time were not able to think all these things. If I say about 20 years later, we will not require any mobile. A chip will be grafted here, and no sooner will be thinking, अरे यार मेरा दोस्त राहुल क्या कर रहा होगा, and you will be able to see Rahul. A time will come. मैं कह रहा हूँ ना. So my thinking is 20 years ahead of time when other people were not thinking. But often such type of things are not acceptable. When the rave car has come in India, that is the battery operated car, people, where they bought? There were only few cars in Bangalore, a few cars in Bombay. People were not interested. Where the electric cars are 100 times better. that you need not to change gear, but only you have only got two controls, and it is not producing noise, and it is so easy. And if you got a solar charger, you can even charge with a solar charger, and you will get free of cost your vehicle. Okay, and so many advantages. Of course, the advantages cannot be better than the fuel operated cars, but it was much but the thinking of those people were much ahead of time, and the other people thought, hey, what is this car? The speed is only 60 kilometers, and you have to charge only twice. You go to that is from go home to office, office to home, and then again you have to put charge. You cannot take such cars to outside outstations and all. But today we know that the time will come. Yesterday, Britain is announced that in next 10 years all their roads will have only electric cars. So that means no fuel operated cars will be there. Okay. So one has to think beyond time. His thought was much ahead of time, and that is why he got success. And whenever anything comes in market, the success will only be there when his thinking or the product's thinking is much ahead of time. Why Apple mobiles are so successful? Because every time whenever Apple mobile comes, they decide, they already give the date that so and so date we are going to present our new model, and people eagerly wait because this time what they are going to add. So you remember that Apple bought the mobile with your eye movement only it used to turn the page, or eye movement only it used to open, and when you close your eyes the mobile also used to go to. There are so many new features mobile it was bought by Apple. So that means how ahead of time they are thought. How ahead of time. Now whatever apps you are getting on your mobile, the app makers are thinking much beyond your thinking capacity. When a washing machine came, what they make in US and what they make in Japan and all, that washing machine are simple washing machine, but what washing machine they are making in India are much different. Because in India we will not put our clothes for washing until unless it looks dirty. So probably it may not be simply cleansed by vigorous movement of the vibrator. So then there was a need of soaking. So soak function which we see in our washing machine, that is specially made for India. You will not find this soak function in our European washing machines. So they had to think beyond time, and only those machines got success. Okay, we in Europe and all other washing machines are all not so, let's say 8 kilogram, 10 kilogram washing machine. They require small washing machine to wash their daily clothes. And when the same washing machine came to India with a 3 kg capacity, nobody is interested. 3 kg क्या होता है? 2 bedsheet डाली तो 3 kg हो गई. So they wanted heavy washing machine. So in India, normally 6 kg, 7 kg, 8 kg, 10 kg washing machine, because we got the joint families. So one has to think much beyond time. He was able to think beyond time, what others did not think. So that is why he got success, not the others. यही तो कला है, यही तो बात है. चलिए. So Mendel has taken a pure tall plant and a pure dwarf plant. How he obtained pure tall plant and how he obtained pure dwarf plant, I already explained you. Now what he did, he made these plants into two categories and this. Some of the plants on this side and some of the plants on that side of his field. Yes, these plants he considered as the male and this plant is considered as a female. The same way dwarf plant, this type plant considered as a male and this type plant he considered as a female. Whatever plant he was making females, those plants which he was considered as female, he enclosed their flowers much before they open. When a just bud is formed, he enclosed it in a paper bag, so that no foreign agent can bring pollen grain. No butterfly, no bee, no bumblebee or no other organisms can transfer pollen from unwanted plant. And when this flower matures, when this flower opens, then he removes the bag, he brings the pollen from the male plant, put into this stigma, and then again encloses it. See the thinking much ahead of time. So that no unwanted pollination can take place. Now one had a cow and a bull, and he thought that the mating is taking place among them, whereas the cow goes to graze outside and its mating must have taken place by some other animal. And the result can be something else. So one had to be very careful. While he has made few tall plants as male and few tall plants as female, few tall dwarf plant as a male and few tall dwarf plant as a female, because he wanted to know it should not whether it is that the male's character are common or the female's character are common, that is whether the heredity is having some impact on the sex of that is parents. So to avoid all type of misleading or wrong conception or wrong results, he was very careful. And another thing, whatever result he got from the first character, that is height, then he had a very big field. Church की जमीन थी, यूरोप, वैसे hardly some population, and the churches were very rich, so they had a lot of fields. So what he engaged some of the people, one field only for height, another field for color of seed, another field color of pot, another field color of flower, another field position of flower, another field shape of seed, another field shape of pot. He made 7 fields, that is the same field is divided into 7 and he conducted the experiment on all the characters, and he wanted to know whether the result is same for all other characters also. And when he was sure that the result is always same, then only he gave his law. So the thinking capacity, and that is why we say that Mendel was much ahead of time. There are so many things which comes much ahead of time. In our market, so many things comes ahead of time, and so many things are brought so late that the next product come and it eat away this thing. You see CDs and DVDs, how short life they had. They enjoyed the use only for at the most 10 to 15 years, whereas the tape recorders, they lasted for so many years, because that substitution for the videotape or by this thing replacement by the CDs and DVDs took very long, and CDs and DVDs was very soon eaten away by the micro SD cards and SD cards, and they are also eaten away by what you call OTT. So now who get the CDs and DVDs, and who stores the movies in the pen drive and all? Whatever movie you want, you get on the internet. Okay? So the technology moves fast, and you have to be at par with the technology, much ahead of the technology. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि by the time you think some other thing come already in the market. So his thinking was much ahead of the time. No other person could do before he could get the result. So let us see what happened. So the character which you can see is called phenotype. The character which you can see is called phenotype. So this is the parental phenotype. You have to write when you are conducting experiment, when you are making a chart. Parental phenotype. Now we are not writing that which one is the male and which one is the female, because the result was same. And now we will write here F1 generation. They were crossed, whatever seeds were formed, those seeds were germinated, and he wanted to know that how many of them are tall and how many of them are producing dwarf plants. And to his surprise, he could not obtain even one dwarf plant. All the plants were tall. All tall plants. All tall plants. ठीक है? Very obviously we hear that whenever in a family, suppose the husband always dominates, whatever he says that is only going on in the house. The father is dominating. Or in some other families it is other way. Whatever mother wants, that only is happening in the house. Then we say the mother is dominating. We are also saying here, out of the tall and dwarf, who is dominating? Only the tall is dominating. So he said that the tallness is dominant feature. The tallness is dominant, NT. ठीक है? Several tall plants were there. Several dwarf plants were there. All the plants did the pollination. Some of the tall plants were male considered and some of the dwarf plants were considered as female. In some other plant, we consider the dwarf plant as a male and those were female. And whatever seeds were produced, all the seeds on germination gave only tall plant, not a single dwarf plant was there. It was amazing to me. Chaliye, now what is it? Here I have taken these plants. Now these plants were many. Say for example, here I have taken 5 this type of plant and 5 this type of plant, or 10 of this type of plant and the 10 of that type of plant, and each plant produced 5 flowers, and each flower produced 5 seeds. So many seeds were there. Now this time it was not for him possible for him to conduct each plant's pollination. So what he allowed? Let them have a natural pollination by the bees or butterflies or bumblebees or any other insect or any other organism. And on tracing or analyzing the results when those seeds were germinated, he found that 3 tiny plants were tall and 1 tiny plant were dwarf. This is a rough estimate, okay? Say for example, he got altogether 1000 plants. So it is not exactly that 750 plants will be tall and 250 plants will be dwarf. If we get 1000 seeds, so it is not exactly 750 will be tall and 250 will be dwarf. Even 700 and 300 will also be considered as 3:1. Even 680 and 320 will also be considered as 3:1, or even 800 and 200 will also be considered as 3:1, because it is randomity. Randomity means we are not sure that which pollen is going to fall on what plant. So the randomity is there. Okay, consider that case. Do every cigarette smoker suffer from cancer? No. But on the other hand, if we go to the cancer hospitals and we find out all those people who are suffering from the lung cancer and ask whether you had smoking or whether you lived with a smoker, practically 99% people are engaged into those types. जरूरी नहीं है, जरूरी नहीं है. Some may be having only a window opening outside and people are smoking outside and they are getting smell. Some may be like the tenants are there. Sometimes it may be that you are living on the first floor and the ground floor people are smoking and the smoke rises up and it comes to your this thing, AC or any other device throws the smoke inside, and it is such a mild quantity that you may not even make out. Or your house may be facing a garden and in the garden corner some people may be standing and smoking. Or you may be traveling in a bus or vehicle where the other people are smoking. Or you may be using a public toilet where somebody may be smoking and then you enter. Smoke somehow enters in the body and then it causes cancer. Some percent of people may not be getting cancer because of that. There may be some other reasons also. Okay? Similarly here, that not all plants are tall and dwarf in the ratio of exact 3:1 ratio. But roughly, that is called randomity, that is called statistics. And that was the reason of his success, that he used statistical analysis. He used statistical analysis. He was not a very harsh कि नहीं 750 and 250 होगा तभी हम इसको नहीं तो हम जो है रेशियो इक्वल टू 6.8 into 2 that is 3.2 करेंगे. The ratio is always considered as 3:1. No matter it used to be 670 and that used to be 320, then also we consider as 3:1, or it used to be like 780 and that used to be 220, then also is considered as 3:1. Exact कौन नहीं सकता, because every time you conduct, every time you produce 100 seed or 1000 seed, you will not get the same ratio, same number, but on average this is the thing. Why India and Pakistan or India and Australia? Now we are going to have India and Australia matches. Now why we conduct the matches in the number of 3 or 5 or 7? 2 मैच करा लो, 1 मैच करा लो और बोल दो जो भी जीतेगा वो जीता, जो भी सिकंदर. Knockout round can never give the pure result. Sometime our best player may have some bodily ailment. His eyes may swell because of some insect fell into his eyes and now he will not be able to make out the ball. He may have some stomach problem. He may have some other type of problem. He may have some muscle strain. He may have some other problem, and or that moment only when the bowler was throwing a ball and somebody's watch reflected light and he could not make out the light, the same ball. Now you can't produce such false, such type of allegation. You cannot say I could not hit or I got out because somebody reflected his watch sunlight onto my eyes. Who will believe? Because the light exactly entered in your eyes. Any camera which is there in anywhere else other direction, they will not be able to make out. So one match result cannot give the pure examination or pure result of the match superiority. So we are having 3 or 5. So out of 3, 2:1, or out of 5, 3:2, or 4:1, or all 5:0. Whoever does, that is the winner. And sometimes it may be 2:2 and one match is draw, then they equal. Okay. So we are also conducting so many experiments and seeing that what the result is. So all these are called phenotype. तो F1 generation का phenotype क्या है? All type. And here the phenotype of F2 generation is now whether you got surprised or not. But he got. He said when the 2 different type of parents were taken, only one kind of offspring were there. Only one character was coming. And when only tall plants are taken, he is getting the dwarfness. That means this dwarfness character was hidden somewhere in these plants. The dwarfness character was hidden in these tall plants. That means these tall plants are not pure. वो ही तो पहले वाले नहीं कर रहे थे, भूल कर रहे थे. They were thought with that white goat is pure white, but that whiteness had some impurity of black color, and the brownness also had some impurity of black color. And when both the black color came, the offspring become black. Neither the father nor the mother are black. So now he wanted to know the factor, that what is the reason. The reason is known as factor. So he said, let the tallness be described by capital T and let the dwarfness be described by small t. So either say take capital T or now the problem is that in that way every generation the number of factors will double. So he said the factors are present in the pair, but during gamete formation, when the flower is producing pollen and egg, there is something going on that is reducing the number of paired to unpaired. What a thinking! What a thinking! He said every character is present in pair, but during the gamete formation, the paired state become unpaired. The factor segregates. No one could think over it. किसी के दिमाग में ऐसी चीज आई नहीं, तो यहां आप लिखते हैं segregation. So any one T and any one T from there will come, and the result is this. Now these plants are also of these types. This plant is also of this type, which is having one capital T and one small t. So they will segregate to produce capital T and small t. They will segregate to produce capital T and small t. When this capital T goes with this capital T, the result is. When this capital T goes with this small t, the result is this. When this small t goes with this capital T, the result is this. But when both the dwarf characters go together, तो आ गया ये dwarf. So Mendel could analyze it. Mendel could give the reason. So what he suggested, he said that every character is controlled by one pair factor. मैथमेटिशियन है ना, मैथमेटिशियन तो भैया खाना नहीं बनाए, दाल नहीं बनी सब्जी में, तो वो तो ये भी कह सकते हैं खाली कटोरी रख करके लेट दिस कटोरी बी दाल एंड दे कैन ईट चपाती. मतलब उसका इट इज जोक. मतलब दे एवरी अननोन बॉडी दे से एक्स, लेट दिस बी एक्स, लेट दैट बी वाई. सो ही सेड लेट दिस बी कैपिटल टी, लेट दैट बी स्मॉल टी. ओके, एंड दिस ऑल दिस. ठीक है, सिंस ही वॉज मैथमेटिशियन ही कुड. मेरे जैसे बायो वाला होता तो कभी नहीं करता. We never think of all those things. So these factors he named as genotype. The combination of factor is named as genotype. तो ये parental genotype हो गया. Geno parental genotype. And then ये parental phenotype हो गया. ये F2 के phenotype, F1 के phenotype, and this is F2 phenotype. ठीक है, रेस्ट विल डू टुमारो. द लेक्चर विल बिकम लॉन्ग देन. थैंक यू.